Do you like my hair?
Honey, when did you get a perm?
Hi guys, how are we all doing? Welcome back. It's Becca here. Hello. You guys asked for it, so I am providing. I've had a few comments just asking how I style and curl my hair. Super dead easy. I don't use that many products. It doesn't take that long. I feel like this technique would work for short hair, medium hair, long hair. It's very classic, very Victoria's Secret, Hollywood, big wavy hairstyle. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I do it. If you're interested, keep watching. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get right on into it. Okay, here we go. So this is my natural hair, pretty bland, pretty flat. I'd say I have quite fine hair, but like quite a bit of it so that it's deceivingly thick. This is actually second day hair. I find if I wait till the second day to curl my hair, it has a lot more volume. I do like to air dry my hair, I don't blow dry it. I'm sure if I did blow dry it, it would create more volume, but I also want to minimize damage. I shouldn't be wearing a black top, should I? I'm gonna change. That was so stupid of me. Anyway, now I'm changed. Yeah, so I've got quite a blunt cut. I find that gives me the most volume. Cut this myself because I'm an idiot. So if you want to see that video, I filmed it. I'll be sure to link it below. Anyways, so I obviously just start with brushing up my hair. No specific technique to this. Once I have brushed through my hair, I like to go in with heat protectant. Now, does heat protectant do much? I don't know, but I've always been told to use it. My mum always nags me to use it. I kind of just pop this through my hair, mainly concentrating on the tips. Next up, I just want to prepare my hair by parting it in the right way. I like to curl my hair in layers, 2 layers though, so you have like a top layer and a bottom layer. I don't find I need to do more than that, but if I do it all in one like this, I won't get that much volume. You want the curls to sort of be stacked on top of each other, so I kind of just go for it slightly off the middle part. And I used to do this where you just take the top half and pop it up. I find that a bit harder to work with, so I actually split it into 2 almost like space buns. Here, I'll show you. You can use a scrunchie or a hair clip, whatever you have about. I just like scrunchies because they're a bit softer on the hair, and just like that, pop one side up and then the other. I look ridiculous, but this is what works for my hair the best. And then that way I find that I'm not gonna lose the pieces that I've already done. Next, it's time to start curling. So this is my all-time favorite curling wand. I have literally had this for maybe about 8 years and it's still lasting me. So this is from Remington 32mm wand, which I think is like basically just a bit over an inch, so quite a big wand. Having a bigger wand will get you those big voluptuous, like Hollywood style curls. So I'm just gonna heat her up. If I want my curls to last longer, I'll put the temperature up to like 200. So the good thing about this wand is it goes down to like 130 degrees and then it goes up to 210. So I like to be on the higher side but still below 200 degrees. So let's begin. So I'll just grab a piece. If you're wanting big, loose, like Victoria's Secret curls, you don't need to worry about getting like tiny pieces. You can take about an inch. I don't know how big that is. And then what I like to do is vary each direction that the curl's going in. So some going away from your face, some coming towards your face. I do like to start at the root and then I just wrap my hair around and I'll hold it for about 10 seconds. So this one is going away from my face. There we go. And then when it's ready, I like to let it just fall off the barrel. I find that works best. And I'll hold it in my hair for a few I'll hold it in my hand for a few seconds. Careful not to burn yourself, but if it's just like in your pan like that, you should be okay. And then I'll just release it. And there you go, you've got, that looks so funky, a massive, big, voluminous wave. Then I'll go in the next section and do it the other way. So this time, see how that is coming towards my face? Rocket science. I'll try to get it as close to the root as I can, just that way I find there's the most volume, and let it fall off. Hold it in my hand and release. If you want proper like pin style Hollywood curls, you could keep it pinned up and use like a bobby pin, curly grip, and stick it into your head and then release them all at the end. But I actually like the kind of beachy natural look, so that's what I'm going for. So I'll carry on and just make my way around my head. There you go. So once I have finished the bottom layer, I actually go in with a tiny bit of hairspray, otherwise I find it will fall kind of flat quite quickly. I go in with just a tiny few spritz, only a little bit because we are going to go in again at the end. And I don't like my hair being super crunchy. Anyway, so once I've done that, I will move all my hair to one section and then release one of the top bits of my hair. And then that means it has all this free space with no hair underneath it to get all mixed up in. And then I will do the same technique, just alternating each one. And there you go, you've got a very voluminous curl. Then once we get here to my kind of fringe, it's definitely a grown out fringe. I don't like to play around with it too much. If it's too defined a curl, it looks weird. I'll usually do it away from my face, just do it lightly, and then I don't hold it or anything. I just let it fall and sort of blend into the rest of my hair. So there you go, that is the first top section complete. And so I'll just move all my hair over to that side and repeat. Oh, there we go. I have just finished curling everything. So right now it does look very, very like neat. I'll first start by just shaking it all out. As you can see, we've got tons of volume on the bottom, which is great, but it is quite flat on the top, and it's just because it is weighing it down. This is when I'll go in with a little comb. I'll just sort of separate sections on top and lightly go in and just very, very lightly back comb, and then you should have quite a bit more volume. Another thing I like to do is just grab a normal hairbrush and lightly back comb the bottom bits. This is when I'll go in and just hairspray tiny bits because I don't like it to be overly hairsprayed. Then what I do is I like to throw it all to one side. If I'm not feeling the middle part, then this will always give me like the most voluminous look. And then one of the main things that gives me volume is just going in with a bit of dry shampoo. Just brush that into your hair to get rid of the grey cast. Sometimes I will do this before I curl my hair, just so I'm not mucking up the curls. But to be honest with you, I forgot. And there you have it. That is the finished look. Super easy, doesn't take too long, and you definitely don't need tons of products. This should definitely last you like a couple days. But yeah, that's just how I get the most volume, how I get big voluminous curls. This is like my go-to hairstyle. But I really hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it was fun, easy to watch. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. And of course, let me know what future videos you want to see. Take care, guys. As always, I hope everyone's doing okay during this current situation. I upload 3 times a week, so I'll see you guys very, very soon. Stay safe, be kind, and sending you all my love as always. Bye, guys.